is a screencast demonstration, and we are going to take a little tour through the WordPress Media Library. I would venture to guess that most people interact with the Media Library via the Add Media button in their blog posts and pages. And this is kind of what the Media Library looks like, but it's actually a little bit more powerful than this. So if you come over to your dashboard and you either click on Media or hover over Media, you can click on Library. Same difference, gets you to the same place. And this will bring up a listing of all of the media, and that includes images, PDFs, audios, anything you've ever uploaded using that Add Media button. Also in other places, if you've uploaded something through your WordPress customizer, through your theme customizer, it will land in the media library. Now, this isn't remarkably organized, so here are a couple of tips to show you how to get around it and some of the things that maybe will make it easier for you to find things in the future. So by default, the listing that comes up will show your uploads in reverse chronological order. So that means the most recent thing that you've uploaded will be at the top of the list, and the thing that you uploaded very first on your website will be all the way back here at the bottom. So you can see here by date, this one's from 2011, and this most recent thing is from just last month in 2016. So you can change that. So if you happen to know, if you're looking for a particular asset and happen to know roughly what month you ordered it, you uploaded it in, you can do some filters. So I can say search for, I know it was last spring, so I can filter out for March of 2013, see what was uploaded that month. I can easily switch, be sure and click the filter button after you change that drop down. I can see what was uploaded in April instead. I can do all dates, and then I can also filter by media item, so I can see images, audios, and then unattached simply means that it was not uploaded or used in a blog post or page. So if I want to see all audio files that I've ever uploaded, and there's one there. So that's an easy way to find that. The other way that you can easily view what all you've got going on, this view here is called the list view. And this shows you some details and specifics about who uploaded it, the title that you've given it when you uploaded it, the actual file name. It shows you whether it's attached to a particular blog post, and again the date that it was uploaded. You can also switch on over to a grid view, and these show you bigger thumbnails of what you've uploaded, and this is a little bit easier to peruse. Your list view has pagination, which means it'll show you X number of items. So in this case I've got 20 items per page here on my screen options. And so I can see 20 items per page before I have to click over to the next page. Grid view, as far as I can tell, will show you on a rolling basis just about everything that you've ever uploaded here, so be careful with that. But this is nice to see and be able to see the bigger thumbnail so you can get a better sense of what's there. So you can also in grid view do the same type of filtering. Other thing you can do in grid view is a bulk select, and I'm not going to actually do this, but I can, if there's a bunch of them I know I want to get rid of and I'm 100% sure I want them gone, they're not used somewhere on my site, I can easily click and do a delete selected. I'm not going to do that here, but that's something you can do. Then the other thing that works really well both in grid view and in filter view is searching. And so if you can remember keywords of either titles or alt tags that of the item that you've uploaded, you can do a search here. And so look at that, I typed in cat and there's my picture of my cat. So Media Library does a lot more than this. We'll get into some of the things you can actually do with these images once they're uploaded. But this is an interesting little way to be able to see what you've got going on your website and learn how to navigate around it. So hope that's helpful.